Okay, let's start a new chapter, trigonometric functions. Now see, in the previous class, that is in your 10th standard, you have studied about trigonometry. Trigonometry, when it is applicable in case of right angle triangle. Okay, you have studied that. In that you have studied 6 trigonometric ratios: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Okay, now basically these functions are applicable on the angles. So let's start with angle. What is angle? Okay, what is angle? An angle is the measure of rotation. An angle is the measure of rotation when a ray move from its initial position to the final position. Okay, what is an angle? An angle is a measure of rotation when a ray moves from its initial position to the final position. Suppose this is ray, this is a ray, you can say ray OA. This ray start moving in this direction and it stops here. Okay, now this ray has moved like this way. Okay, fixed at O and it is moved like this way. Then this measure of rotation is called angle. Okay, and here the angle formed is positive angle. Here the angle formed is positive angle. If the same ray OA, if it would have moved in this direction like this, means this is the fixed or initial arm and this is the final arm after rotation. Then once again here we get angle, but in this case the angle is negative angle. If this is theta, we can say this is minus theta. Okay, so the positivity and negativity of the angle also depends on how the rotation is taken. If the rotation is taken in clockwise direction, means if the rotation is taken in anti-clockwise direction, means the direction opposite in which the hands of the clocks move. Okay, if the direction is in anti-clockwise direction, then the angle formed is positive. If the direction is clockwise, then the angle formed is negative angle. Okay, this is called initial arm, this is called final arm. In this case, this is initial arm and this is final arm. Okay, clear? Now this is what an angle is. Okay, now what you have studied about the angle in the previous classes. Angle, you have studied zero angle, in which the initial arm and the final arm both are one and the same. So this is zero angle, this is the initial arm and this is the final arm. Okay, both are one and the same without rotation. Both are one and the same without rotation. Then the angle formed is zero angle. Okay, then right angle, when the angle formed is 90 degree. Straight angle, when the angle formed is 180 degree, or you can say initial and final arm both are in the opposite direction to each other. Okay, and then once again you get this situation, but a rotation is made. In that case the angle formed is 360 degree. Coming to degree, there are two measurements for angle. Okay, जैसे लेंथ के केस में आपने पढ़ा है, लेंथ के केस में आप मिलीमीटर, सेंटीमीटर, मीटर, किलोमीटर इसमें आप मेजर कर सकते हो. Likewise, angle can be measured in two different units. One is the degree unit which you have already studied. Okay, जहाँ तक डिग्री की केस है, okay, what is 1 degree? 1 degree is the 1/360th rotation of arm from initial to the final position. Okay, what is 1 degree? It is the 1/360th rotation. 1/360th rotation, because the complete rotation is calculated into 360 times, means 360 degree. So 1 degree will be 1/360th part of that. Okay, again as far as degree is concerned, 1 degree it is equal to 60. This notation is for minutes, 60 minutes. Okay, and 1 minute, it is equal to 60. This notation is for seconds. Okay, this is the additional formula for you. 1 degree, it is equal to 60 rotations and each rotation is called minute. So 1 degree equal to 60 minutes, आपने clock में देखा हुआ है, ठीक है, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. That's all about angle and its measurement in terms of degree. Now other measurement is the radian. Okay, clear? So in the next class we will see about, in the next video we will see about radian. Okay, please note it down.